RIUGOR machining center operators are an integral core force on the production line. Proficient in numerical control system, strong ability to read drawings, sensitive to size, pursuing zero defects, collaborate efficiently with programmers and quality inspectors to ensure on-time order delivery. They skillfully control precision CNC machine tools, transform designs on drawings into high-precision components, and provide reliable guarantee for the field of mechanical manufacturing. They are proficient in machining center programming, tool debugging and equipment maintenance, independently complete milling, drilling, tapping and other machining processes, and strictly inspect quality inspections to ensure that product errors are controlled at the micron level. Recording production data and optimizing processes are the dual guardians of efficiency and quality. Under the trend of intelligent manufacturing, RIUGOR's operators are not only traditional technicians, but also technical all-rounders who adapt to automation upgrades, shaping the precision and future of industrial manufacturing.